The story begins with Alex. Alex is in bed. His heart is beating fast. He cannot sleep. Why? Because today, Alex saw someone. He saw her in a cafe. Or maybe at the university. Just one moment. One look. But something changed. Alex feels something new. He feels warm. He feels calm. He thinks, maybe she is my soulmate. Alex is a simple person. He studies. He works. He has a normal life. But now, his days are different. He thinks about her. In the morning? In the afternoon? At night? Not in a crazy way. In a peaceful way. Days pass. Alex sees her again. At the same place. He is nervous, but he smiles. He says hello. She smiles back. A small talk. Simple words, but real feelings. Valentine's Day is coming. Alex wants to do something. Not big. Not expensive. Something from the heart. Hugh buys a small gift. Just a symbol. Just love. He gives it to her. She is surprised. She is happy. They talk. They laugh. They feel close. Love grows. Slowly. Naturally. No rush, just respect. Just care. Alex understands something important. Love is not magic. Love is not perfect. Love is courage. Love is kindness. Love is action. Moral of the story: love has power. Love changes people. Love starts with one small step. And to everyone watching this story, believe in love. Believe in yourself. Happy Valentine's Day.